Xtech Tactical is proud to announce the release of their pistol training gloves. Whether you are a professional instructor, beginner shooter, or Second Amendment ambassador who introduces people to shooting, the pistol training gloves are an essential tool to reinforce the proper grip and build immediate confidence. Hi, I'm Jeremy with Xtech Tactical. One of the biggest challenges in learning to shoot pistols and barriers to confidence is the grip. The thumbs forward grip is widely accepted by professionals, military, and law enforcement alike as the optimal grip for control over the firearm. Matt Warnock, a former U.S. Marine Infantry Squad Leader, U.S. Army EOD Tech, and current NRA pistol instructor, came to us with the concept of the pistol training gloves. Throughout his career, Matt saw confidence was the biggest driver in his students' success. Proper grip is one of the hardest aspects of shooting to teach and easiest to forget. A lot of bad habits are out there. Some examples often seen on the range are the crossed thumbs, interlocked fingers, and the infamous teacup. Our patented grip placement technology provides immediate positive feedback to instill confidence as muscle memory is still being developed. Today we came to the world-class facilities of C2 Tactical in Tempe, Arizona to show you the pistol training gloves in action. First, let's walk through a typical firearms introduction course. Typically, the instructor introduces the trainee to the thumbs forward grip and demonstrates it. The trainee often feels confident when they achieve the proper grip. Later that day at the range, the trainee is asked to duplicate the thumbs forward grip while handling a live firearm for the first time. Without muscle memory and practice, this often becomes the biggest challenge for both the trainer and trainee. Now, let's show where our pistol training gloves come in. Using the gloves, the instructor again demonstrates the thumbs forward grip, explaining the hook and loop function. The trainee follows these instructions with live feedback from the gloves. When the duo reaches the range, the trainee simply uses the gloves to reach the thumbs forward grip. This leads to a much more confident trainee and a very positive and safe shooting experience. Patented grip placement technology provides immediate positive feedback to instill confidence as muscle memory is still being developed. Our gloves are fully ambidextrous and are built to last from the highest quality materials. So regardless of your skill level or experience with firearms, you will find our pistol shooting gloves to be an essential tool. If you are new to shooting, a professional instructor, or like many of us, simply love introducing people to the mindset and sport of shooting, our gloves will bring confidence and increase the enjoyment of the entire experience. Thank you for taking the time to learn about our new pistol training gloves. For more information, check out our website. Also, follow us on Instagram and Facebook to keep up to date on more new exciting products we have coming out this year.